What up, where's your boy Win, the official / Ice Road Trucker, man. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, comment, and say hello. Today's topic is about what I just bought. I just got me some mics for the GoPro, man. So when the window's down and the wind blowing, all that, you know, the interfering with when I'm talking, you know, the wind blockage, because it got these little things right here. They came with the DJI mini mics, man. Y'all need to go get y'all one. DJI mini mics. I paid $109 plus tax $116, but since I'm paying US dollars, I probably paid only like $80 at the most. So today's topic is about the DJI mini, man. Mini mics. Forget them raw mics, man. Them things, they trash. I had bought them and brought them back because I couldn't figure out how to connect my GoPro with the raw mics. And that was way expensive than this, and this is way better. So as y'all can see, I got one already connected to my shirt. It come with a magnet. So let me go ahead and show y'all, man. So this is the little box. As y'all can see, this is the little box right here. You press this right here to open it, man. That's way better than the roll. Okay, so don't know what this thing is right here, but look, it also come with an extra mic. So it come with two mics in a transmitter. This is the transmitter right here. But in order for you to use this, apparently, y'all, you gotta have to get the media mod. And I bought this a long time ago just because of the wind, and you know, so I can hear myself better when I'm on the water fishing or for the crappie, so on and so forth, you know, other stuff that I be doing when I'm camera recording, ice road trucking and all that. So boom, this is the media mod. So y'all gonna see the difference. Y'all can hear me talking, and I'm actually using the, you know, the GoPro built-in mic. So when I go to throw this on, it's gonna sound even more different, more clear when I go to start talking. So boom, basically you need the media mod to use the DJI mini mic. So boom, let's go ahead and connect this. And let me show you, got like a bracket right there on the top, and it got a bracket on the side. You could put the transmitter. We're gonna make the video too long, man. Your boy tired. I got a massage today. Supposed to been chilling all day. I still been moving around. Okay, so look. See, now it's using the media mod mic, right? So boom, I'm finna plug the transmitter up right now, and y'all gonna see the difference. Y'all gonna hear the difference. I'm even walking the rest of them and show y'all how good it works. Go ahead and mount it up. Alright. This is the aux cord. It connects to the media mod. That's why you gotta have the media mod, because the media mod got those extra plugs in it. You got the auxiliary cord hole. Boom. Okay. Now we're in business. See? And it actually do come with 3 of these little wind blockage things. Let me tell y'all the name of it, man. Dang. It's called, it come with simple instructions too, y'all. This is the wind screens. I got the wind screens. Thought they would call these profile things, man, but this is wind screens. So well, right now it's working off the media mod, y'all. It's light solid green. I mean, it's connected to the GoPro and the transmitter. So, for example, just to show you how good it works, I'm gonna go outside. It's your boy Win, the official / Ice Road Trucker. Told y'all, man, look how good it's working. I'm outside my hotel room in Canada. I don't know how far I reach. To be honest, I haven't looked into that. But yeah, man, bang. She's a good one. That thing work good. Y'all can't tell me it don't. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what y'all think about my video, man, and go cop them DJI mini mics, man. They worth it. Especially go get them before Black Friday end. Go get that deal, man. Stuff already high as it is, so go get them, man. DJI mini mics. Y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Win, the official / Ice Road Trucker, man. Keep y'all updated. I got the mics now. You're gonna be able to hear me clearly. One more thing, y'all. It even come with this little bag, man. Look at that. It even come with its own little bag. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Just updating y'all on. I couldn't forget about the bag. DJI mini mics. Go cop them.